Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here, ooh, bright sun. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little update to see what the garlic and onions are looking like that's growing. So come around and check it out with me. Okay, first things first, the onions that put in here, these were the ones I transplanted with all the rain we got. They got overly wet. So I moved them up on the porch, but I don't think they are going to make it. But I'm gonna see if they pop back up, but I doubt it. So that is it for those. My garlic and this is the early Italian garlic. Most of them look like they have popped up. I got a new one there. This row doesn't look like whatever I bought because I did them in each row. I think I would have probably put one there, but maybe not. Got three here. Should have at least four there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like everything on that row popped up. 1, 2, 3, 4. That row. Looks like we don't have two here, and then maybe 1 or 2 is missing back there on that back row. But hopefully they pop up. If not, we'll be alright. I planted a bunch of garlic in different places so that I have that. So they're looking decent. And my coriander. Oh, it's got a new one. It was just 2, but now it's 3. I'm going to leave them all in here. I'll split those up and leave them all in that one pot. But they're looking good. The sun is bright. It's warming up out here. Let's go check. Yeah, the onions. But I do have 3 onions right here. And I got a caterpillar on that thing. See all that poop in there? Got a caterpillar somewhere. Ugh. I'll come back and look for it. But I have 3 onions in here with my cabbage. 1, 1, 2, 3. And they're looking okay. That one probably needs to be moved forward. I thought I moved it forward, but maybe not. Since it's still back there. Because I don't think it's going to do well up under those leaves. I have a few more onions that I planted. Sorry, I stopped because I planted thyme in here and I saw a bunch of green, but I think that's weeds. But anywho, I planted onions in here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. I had 6. 1 here and 1 there. Don't look like those 2 have made it, so I'll replace those 2 because I have some more that's growing. So I'll replace those and let these continue to grow in here. Onions take about 90 to 100 days, but in the wintertime it may take a little bit longer than that. So I'm not 100% just looking around, not 100% certain about how long it'll take. Because I never really grow them in the wintertime. I pretty much just grow them like at like February and then let them go through the summer. So we'll see how they do. So let me show you this bed of onions and garlic. So hold on. Okay, these are onions that I planted with you. Here I had 2 on this row. These were overgrown. This one was from the prior season, and then these are the new ones. This is a leak back here that I left. So it's just staying there, and I just pulled that one up, that onion. Let me see if I can put it back. No, I don't like sticking my fingers in no dirt with worms. I don't like worms. But I put it back in there. I got that row. Still got this little one on this row. It may make it. That one there. That's it. My peas are popping up here. I've put them here and in the other place. And that's 2 of them there. So I split that up. That looked like 2 there and 1 there. So I probably end up splitting those up as well. I must have put 2 in each hole. I do have an onion growing back there, one here and one here. So those actually survived the frost. I covered some up, then cover up others. I finally got garlic in this bed. My first one. Here we go. Here. Garlic here. Oh, no. One back there too. So these are finally growing up. I did look at my book and I was thinking the ones I just showed you in the pot that I planted them at the same time, but I did not. I planted them actually 2 weeks apart, maybe almost 3. So they are going to come up later. So I guess they're just starting to pop up since we see one already and it is December the 17th, I think. So yeah, we have that one. I don't see any more in there. Nope, one right here. So we got 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, we got more than what I thought. I see them. They're coming. So next week they'll be up a little bit more, and hopefully they will be fine throughout the cold weather. All right, here you can see these are peas. So I guess it's a pea, garlic, and onion update. We have those 4. The one that I put in that spot still has not come up. This one you can see the seed, so I'm gonna cover that up. Don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm covering it up. These are my shallots in this row. This one I've been waiting on. It looks like it may be trying to pop something out. Then that one, and then this here is an onion, and it did not survive, as you can see. So I'm gonna put another onion transplant there. These are my onion my onion sets that I grew myself last year. Well, last season, not last year, last season. Excuse me. Coming outside is making me hoarse. But they have all popped up. I've been trimming them back. I think they need a new haircut. So I'm going to do that. These are the ones that I grew. Well, these I grew from seed as well last year, but they were with my squash, so they were shaded. And these were ones that I just grew. They are red onions. All of these pretty much are red with a few yellow exceptions in between, but these I grew from seed. I started them like these. I just put a bunch of onion seeds in the ground and then I transplanted them. So that's what these are. These were part of the ones that was in those pots that I said the rain, they got too much water. Those were part of those. So these are red onions as well. The ones up here in the front, not faring too well. That one looks okay, but oh, here it is. He fine. Hey, little onion. Even though they little, they will still grow as long as the roots is good and they got a little green on them. They'll bounce back as long as we don't get another hard freeze, which we don't have one in the forecast right at this moment. So hopefully they'll be okay. These are going to get transplanted. I had them covered by that thing, if y'all remember in my last video. So I took it off because we don't have any hard frost coming for the next foreseeable 7 days. So I'm going to let them get a little bigger. These are walla onions. So they're yellow onions in the bed where most of these are red. So I'm going to transplant those in different places around the garden. These are sets from last year as well, well, early in the season that I replanted and letting them grow. I'm going to go ahead and cut those back and give them a little haircut because they're falling over. And I just don't want them to do that just yet because I need them to build up a stronger base so that and they can last through the winter. These are the new sets that I just recently put in here. That one, I don't know how that one's going to do. It might not. We got so much rain, so some of them might be a little bit soft, but this one's come up, so is that one. and that one. And these two we're still waiting on. They're still hard, so hopefully they sprout out some greens. They sprout out greens that grow. I think I need to cut the tip off of that. It's very hard. And cut that tip off and just see what they do to these ones that have not sprouted yet. So that is it. I don't have any. Oh no, lies. I do have this spot here. This is the other garlic that I planted on the same day that I planted the ones that I just showed. That I said was waiting to pop up, and I had like 4 or 5 in there. These are the same, but I don't see any of these to have sprouted. And these are the red touche, and I've actually planted these with you guys on a prior video, so I'll link that at the top here so y'all can see that. But don't look like any of those have come up. But I planted these the same day I planted the ones that are in the flower pot down the hill. So they are all growing. All of them actually popped up. The last was that one and that one and this one. We had 3 that I thought weren't gonna pop up, but they eventually did. And these are all the transplants from last year actually that didn't grow because we had that bad frost and they broke off, and then they just popped up out the ground. So I guess they were still in there, and so they're gonna give us some garlic. They may not be big, but we don't care. We eat them at any size because garlic is garlic. It just won't be big cloves to replant, but be big cloves to eat. I don't know what that is. Some big leaves on it. Anywho, anybody know what that is? Probably a weed, but it looked like something you can eat. Look like a green. Like it's a turnip or something. Probably is. I don't know. Do a screen print. Anybody know? Anybody know what that is? Let me know. I'm gonna take a picture so I can ask Google what that is. But anywho, that is it for my onions, garlic, and turnip. Nope. Onion, garlic, shallot, and pea update. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. My little update of my alliums and peas. I don't think garlic is really an allium, but whatever. But yeah, that is my update. Hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye bye.